All right. Thank you for joining me again today for this episode of Payroll Expert Reads Federal Tax Deposit and Instructions for the Form 940. All right. And I always say this at the end of the video, but I want to say it at the beginning of this one. If you are finding value in all of these IRS instruction, different, whether it's the 940, the W-2, or the 1099 instructions that I've read so far, please like and share and comment. And if anything I say is confusing, definitely leave a question. Several times a week, I'm going in and answering questions that people have. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you guys can follow along with me. All right, so federal tax deposits must be made by electronic funds transfer or EFT. You must use EFT to make all federal tax deposits. Generally, an EFT is made using the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System or EFTPS. If you don't want to use EFTPS, you can arrange for your tax professional, financial institution, payroll service, or other third party to make electronic deposits on your behalf. Also, you may arrange for your financial institution to initiate a same-day wire payment on your behalf. EFTPS is a free service provided by the Department of Treasury. Services provided by your tax professional, financial institution, payroll service, or third party may have a fee. And I would say in most cases, there will be an additional fee to have somebody else initiate it on your behalf. However, if you have a full service payroll software or contract with your payroll service provider, that fee is usually included. At least I know for my clients, it is included. For more information on making federal tax deposits, see Section 11 of Pub 15. To get more information about EFTPS or to enroll in EFTPS, go to EFTPS.gov or call 1-800-555-4477, 1-800-733-4829 if you need TDD, or 800-244-4829 for Spanish. And when I was reading them, I'm like, oh, that seems like it's the same number, but the last 4 digits are the same, but it's the middle 3 that are different between TDD and Spanish. Additional information about EFTPS is also available in Pub 966. Electronic filing and payment. Businesses can enjoy the benefits of filing and paying their federal taxes electronically. Whether you rely on a tax professional or handle your own taxes, the IRS offers you the convenient programs to make filing and paying easier. Spend less time worrying about taxes and more time running your business. Use eFile and EFTPS to your benefit. For eFile, go to irs.gov/employment eFile for additional information. A fee may be charged to file electronically. For EFTPS, go to EFTPS.gov or call one of the numbers provided under federal tax deposits must be made by electronic fund transfer or EFT, which I literally just read seconds ago. Electronic fund withdrawal or EFW. If you file Form 940 electronically, you can e-file and use EFW to pay the balance due in a single step using tax preparation software or through a tax professional. However, don't use EFW to make federal tax deposits. For more information on paying your taxes using EFW, go to irs.gov/EFW. Credit or debit card payments. You may pay your FUTA tax shown on line 14 using a credit or debit card. Your payment will be processed by a payment processor who will charge a processing fee. Don't use a credit or debit card to pay taxes that are required to be deposited. See, when must you deposit your FUTA tax later? For more information on paying your taxes with a credit or debit card, go to irs.gov/pay by card. Online payment agreement. You may be eligible to apply for an installment agreement online if you can't pay the full amount of your tax that you owe when you file your return. For more information, see What If I Can't Pay in Full later. And that is where we are going to end this episode. So just a quick recap. You can, they listed a lot of different ways that you can pay your 940 taxes. My recommendation is to set up an EFTPS account. You have to follow all the steps to set up an EFTPS account. And if people leave enough comments on here, if they want me to show them how to set up an EFTPS account, I will do that in a later episode. And there's a bunch of different benefits for having an EFTPS account set up. One of the main ones is that if somebody else is making your payments electronically, you can see all the payments that get added to your account. So you'll know when payments are made. If they were late, you will not get an alert when a payment was made. But if you have it on your if you set up a schedule reminder to go and file or look and see when your EFTPS payments are made. And this works for both the 940 and the 941 and several other tax forms. But this is a payroll channel, so we're really only talking about payroll returns. But you can make your payments for free. You can schedule them in advance for a specific date, and you get a printed confirmation. You can print a confirmation. If you have a full service payroll and somebody else is making your payments electronically, you can keep an eye on when your payments are being made and how much is being by logging into your EFTPS account and checking under payments that were recently made, and you can expand that up to the last 365 days, or I think 18 months is 18 or 16 months is the longest that you can look back. So, and you also can print the confirmation. It's just going to look a little bit different when you print it, when you're reviewing what somebody else has done versus when you print the confirmation at the time that you make your payment. So please definitely leave comments if I've left anything confusing, or if you want me to go through and show you in general how to set up an EFTPS.gov account. So we'll see you guys all again.